The East African Community member states are targeting to empower micro, small and medium-sized enterprises to drive industrialization and expand the manufacturing sector. Kenya is working with other regional partner states to develop business-friendly policies tailored to support small businesses. O'Brien Kimani is in Juba attending the annual EAC Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Trade Fair and joins us with the details.
Thanks, Abdi Aziz, back there in Broadcasting House. We are here at the East African Community MSME Trade Fair taking place in the city of Juba, South Sudan. This event has been held since 1999, and this time around it is taking place here. Last year it was held in Bujumbura, Burundi, and of course next year it's going to take place in Nairobi, Kenya. I managed to talk to the officials who have organized this event from the Micro Small Enterprise Authority, MSEA, and this is what they had to say.
We have seen, first of all, the improvement of the quality of the products that are exhibited, because we have become more granular about detailing out what products we are coming out with here. And as you go around, you will see, apart from Kenya, most of the other countries are exhibiting very traditional products, but we have gone quite a bit into manufacturing, engineering and innovation, and so there's a lot of products that will be bringing out here. And I can tell you the biggest improvement has come from our manufacturers. We have asked them to externalize their competition so that it's not one competing with the other. It's not one competing with the other, but they are looking at the greater universal market so that the products, their quality of their products are competing with the likes of Korea, South Korea, Singapore, Malaysia, Taiwan.
Kenyan MSME sector is diverse. We have cooperatives, we have associations, we have umbrella associations, we have individual MSME players, and I think what is good for Kenya is that right from the top, the messaging, the policy and the planning is focused on the small business sector, and that's what the East African community should emulate. Besides this being an EAC partner state commitment, Kenya wants to continue entrenching the regional leadership in matters of MSME support, MSME trade. Our strategy is to participate not just in this, but to use this as a platform, as a springboard for entry into other regional markets. We have realized, for example, that through this strategy, we can aggregate our MSME products and use that as an entry point to the other regional countries. Last year when we went to Burundi, for example, we had very many MSMEs associations that have had repeat business. They have had networks that are working for everyone, and now they are able to say in DRC, for example, they will be able to get other trade networks in this country, and that has worked for us in all the markets. You may wish to know that when we went to Mwanza in Tanzania, we succeeded, for example, to have a very big market opportunity for manufacturers of animal feeds, machines and the like, who are based in Nakuru. They are now exporting, and they have found linkages to the market in Tanzania and other regional markets.
Those who are here, you must be good ambassadors, you must make good sales, you must be able to represent the country, and most importantly, do some good business.
Well, those are the sentiments of the officials from MSEA, who are part of the organizers of this event. Of course, we're going to be here until the final day, which is on Friday. And of course, we'll keep you posted on everything that is happening here at the EAC MSME Trade Fair happening here in the city of Juba, South Sudan. My name is O'Brien Kimani. Back to you, Hashim, in Broadcasting House.